What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we are going to be installing the MBRP exhaust on our 2.3 liter Ford Bronco. Alright, so now that we got the MBRP exhaust installed, we're going to hop on the highway, check it out, see how it drones. First initial impressions, sounds pretty good. I expected to drone a little bit less than some of the other exhausts we've tested in the past. But yeah, we'll see as soon as we get up to highway speeds. It did start to rain, so you might hear a little bit of rain noise, so we apologize for that, but I'll still try to give you as in-depth a review as I can. Alright, oh, got some obstruction on the highway. Turn those wipers up. But as you can tell, it's got a nice good tone when you're on it, which I currently am. Getting up to cruising speed. And it's almost nothing. If you got the radio on, you will not be able to hear this. Yeah, I'm cruising at 65 right now. Sounds really good. By that I mean I can't hear it at all, which is kind of what you want in an exhaust. Especially on a vehicle like a Bronco, being able to hear it when you're on it, but when you're just cruising, just nice and relaxed. All right, so that's going to just about wrap this video up. We really hope you enjoyed the MBRP exhaust. I know I sure did. In fact, it's actually one of my favorite exhausts that we have tested for the Bronco so far. So if you guys liked the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more Bronco content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure that notification bell is clicked as well. And if you got a comment, drop it below. Thanks for watching.